What do you mean the funds?
Trevor, you can bring some money come to me for coming shop, please. Something wrong with my card. Yeah. I send it the location.
You have me a walk up and down and look.
This one hot. I can't take the noise from the tram over there.
What problem with your car?
Them complete.
You report it?
Yeah.
You got the bank?
Not yet.
When you go?
Trevor, is that interview this? I just ask you to drop off the baby money till I start out this car thing. How?
So what the attitude for?
Which attitude?
The attitude where you give me now.
I not have no attitude, Trevor. I just want to collect the money and leave.
Me do you something?
Do me something? No, my love. As somebody else, you do something.
Yo. You know, woman confusing sometime, you know.
Who?
Just woman in general.
Don't generalize me.
Seriously. Where all of this a come from?
Trevor, give me the money, make me go on.
No. You need to tell me what make you behave so.
Oh, so I not get the money unless I talk to you.
I know that me say.
Oh, come on, fix your problem this morning.
Oh. Me not understand you. You leave the Airbnb good. I'm not hear from you for over a week now. What with that?
Oh, so you just realize it's over a week you not hear from me? I said you did occupy?
Occupied? Oh, so nice you are going so over.
Hello, go on so over who? I don't know the woman, so I can't go on so over.
So, me then.
Look here, nobody toot your own horn. You know all that.
So what then?
You're damn ungrateful.
Ungrateful?
Yes, but did that with you through your trial and everything. And as you see a little fractal, you hear them light up like stadium bulb.
Well, me not get it. Me see the woman, I'm going to go sit down and me talk to her for a few minutes. Hour?
Few minutes, try 1 hour.
1 hour, Camille? You're extra, you know?
Listen up, it no matter. You have all of the time for go spend with her. You're the back on your foot now.
Camille, I'm grateful for everything what you do for me, you know. I owe you my life. But, let me ask you something. You not have your man?
What a way you happy for find that out now?
And you point it out. Every time me I talk to you and make a move towards you, you tell me about your man, Dave.
Yeah, because Dave is the man in my life now. I'm not going to turn my back on him for a fling with you. Dirty Trevor.
And I respect that. So you're not supposed to feel no way when you see me have a conversation with an old friend.
She not on it all. She tough. I'm not really business about that. I just want you live up to your responsibility for your daughter.
You know what? Hold this. I'm not in a foolishness.